Hello guys, welcome again to another video. I am IFX the Great or Blessed Trader. You guys are welcome. Yeah, I told you guys will be very active this time on YouTube. So this video, if you click on this video, you probably want to know how do you journal your trades. Now, journaling your trades, first of all, is very important. If you don't have a journal before now, that's probably one of the reasons you are still unprofitable. To journal your trades, meaning it means that you need to enter what you see in every single trade before you take those trade, what was the thought process and every other thing like that. So your journal must contain all of those things. In today's video, I'll be sharing you my own personal journal, which I use. I'll be showing you guys how to use it first. I'll also be showing you guys how you can duplicate it, how you can get it for yourselves. So with that being said, ensure that you leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification. So guys, now that we're on the screen, you guys can actually see that this is my journal. The name of the application I'm using for this journal is Notion. Now, the reason why I'm using Notion is because it's available on both App Store, Play Store, and also on PC. So I'm on my PC right now. This is Notion for PC. I'll show you guys how everything works. It works the exact same way on Android, on iPhone, and every other devices that you have. So this is my journal. I'm currently sharing this journal, which the link will be in the description in case you want to use the journal. But wait, I'll show you guys how to use it very soon. But let me show you how the journal works first. So the very first thing when you come is that when you have duplicated the journal for yourself, you're actually going to delete everything that we have here. In order for you to, if you want to delete it, just click on the box icon there, and you can literally press delete. Okay, so we can delete that. So I'm just going to restore that for the sake of this video. So you can delete everything that is here when you receive the journal for yourself. You can also change this picture that is here, and you can also change this background picture to your own pictures if you want to. Just click on it and then press upload, and then upload your image there, and you can do the same thing for the background photo. So now in this journal, if you want to actually fill in the journal with your trades, so first things first, you press new page. Now this new page, the first column that we have here is the date. So you can enter the date. So today's date is 10th of April. You can enter whatever date you're journaling your trade on. You can enter it there. Then ask for your pair. So I can see that my pair can be BTC USD. So that can be my pair. Then ask for your trade setup. Your trade setup is basically the picture where you want to enter the trade. So if I click on it, like it will tell you to upload the picture. So I'll choose a file. I can choose one of the files I have. So let me just choose a random file. So this picture is meant to be the picture you screenshotted on the trade immediately as you're entering the trade. Okay, so that's going to be where the picture is. Then to ask for your position, are you going long or are you going short? So you can choose that. So let's just say I'm going short. Then your confluence is simply, it's telling you that what did you see in the trade before you entered the trade? What were you seeing? What was your confirmations? What made you enter that trade? So you can see that that's probably uptrend. You can see uptrend. You can see demand order block. You can see fair value gap. You can see whatever you want to say. You can see support and resistance. Whatever you want to say there, you can actually put there depending on your confirmations that you saw before you enter the trade. Then ask for your time frame. The time frame, basically what time frame are you entering. So if you're a 5-minute time frame trader or 1 hour time frame or 2 hours, so mainly I use the 1 hour time frame there. So I'm just going to put one each time frame there. Then ask for your risk to reward ratio. So you guys are going for 1:10, 1:20. Don't worry, you can actually input that here. So I'm just gonna go for like 3R. That's my normal risk reward ratio is usually 3R. So I'm just gonna write 3R there. All right. Then ask for your trade activation time. What time are you entering that trade, or what time did the trade activate? So the thing is that if you are setting limits, if you're a trader that sets limit orders, you are going to have to stop here. Then after the trade activated and played out, that's when you start filling the remaining. But if you're a trader that you're entering immediately, like you're pressing buy and sell immediately, you can actually enter the time in which you enter the buy. So I can see that currently the time is 2 p.m. So I'm going to put 2 a.m. as my time for entering. Then this is where you're going to stop. The result is after the trade has played out. So you put the screenshot, you screenshot the trade again and put the screenshots right here. So I can choose a random picture. So that's my results. Then it asks for your outcome. So it asks for your outcome. What was the outcome of the trade? Was it a win? So if you choose on it, if you click on it, you can see there is win, there is break even, and there is loss. So I can see that was a win trade. Then it asks for your exit logic. How did you close the trade? So you can see that there is stop loss, there is take profit, there is trailing stop loss, or there is order deleted in case you deleted the order. But I was just say take profit hits since it was a win. The personal notes is basically what you write to yourself, like things that you write to yourself about how you felt throughout the trade. So you can see that this was a good trade. Was a good trade. You can see that I wasn't scared or something. You can see that I wasn't scared or anything. This is just personal notes that you write to yourself after the trade has played out. Okay. So that's personal notes. So one reason why, so that's basically how the journal works. You can journal as many trades as you want, and it's 100% free, guys. You're not paying any amount. So I'm gonna sharing it to you, as I've said. The link to this journal is to be in the description. So make sure that you click on that link. Also, make sure you are following the page. So let me show you guys how you can actually use this journal for yourself. Okay. So if you want to use this journal, you're going to just go click on that link, which you will see the link in the description. So after I've clicked on that link right now, so it's going to open what we just did. I'm going to delete this one, by the way, but it's going to open what we just did here now. So there is actually, you actually have to use so this, you see the button here that says duplicate. If you're on phone, it could be like 3 lines. You can see 3 lines at the top left or the top right, but on PC you can see duplicate. If you just press duplicate, it will automatically open your Notion app. Make sure you have the app installed on your phone. It will automatically open your Notion app. You can actually see it's saying open Notion app, open in app. It will automatically help you to open it. So I can press open in app right now, and just like that, it has opened in my Notion app right now. It is already in there right now. So that's it. So you automatically have it on your Notion app just like that. It's that easy, guys. So guys, that's everything on how to journal your forex trades. Now, journaling your trades is extremely important. Okay, as a trader, it's very important that you have to journal your trades. Journaling your trades allows you to know what's the best strategy, what time is the best time to trade, what is the best pair for you to trade, what confirmations do you need to see, and many other things like that. In case you don't have all of these things I've mentioned, like you don't have a good strategy, or you don't have proper risk management, or you don't or you're still facing a lot of issues in forex, drop them in the comment section. I'll reply to all of your comments. Okay, and also enroll for my mentorship program, which I'll talk about once you comment mentorship in the comment section. But yeah, with that being said, that comes the end of today's video. Do have a lovely, safe, and an amazing day, guys.